Alright folks, I'm making a video on assembling a universal spark plug wire. And what I did is I set up the number 2 wire here, and I put on the heat protector first, and then I ran the wire to the distributor cap, and now I have the wire at the distributor cap here. Let me get a better picture here. I got the wire at the distributor cap. And I got my marker. So I don't want it too long and I don't want it too short. I think right there will be good. So I take my black marker here and I mark it. And I got my handy dandy side cutters. And I always cut it a little bit after the wire. Okay. And I got my MSD stripper and crimper tool. That is part number PN 35051. And you can use other tools. The kit provides this stripper and crimper, and you use it in a vise, but I like using this one. On this part right here is the stripper part. Where's the wire at now? Right here, I usually give myself maybe an inch, and then you just do that. I grab it by this part right here. Yep. And it stripped it right there like that. It's a little bit too long. So I maybe cut a little bit off of it, not a whole lot. Not that much right there. Like that. And then this is your HEI terminal right here. This is what I'm going to put on the part that on the wire that I just stripped. And this is a little bit too wide, so I take my angle pliers and just close it a tad. Don't have to close it all the way. Just close it right about like that. And you take the wire and you tuck it like this, and then slide it in here. And then I grab my pliers and crimp it real quick so it stays on there like that. And then I grab my MSD crimpers, and this side right here fits. In that area there, and then the groove right here fits in there like that, and then you just crimp it. And right here is your finished product. Right there. And now what I do is I take grease, Vaseline or whatever, and then I assemble it around that. I just put a liberal amount on there like that. And then I got my spark plug boot. And I just apply some grease on a spark plug boot like that. And get it off my fingers. And then I take the plug wire and slide it in the spark plug boot. And make sure that the wire slides all the way into the boot and it's seated all the way into the boot. I know you can't see it, but I see it. It's seated all the way in there. And then you just route the wire over. Snap it on there. Make sure it's fit. And your plug wire kit comes with the spark plug indicator. Spark plug wire indicator, and then I just put it on there and then slide it on here like that, and there you go. That's how you assemble the MSD universal spark plug wires on a Chevy 350 engine. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.